Alright, sorry about that. Right, now continuing where we left off. We were talking about movement in plants, and some plants like hibiscus are able to fold their leaves at night, and you would call, right, so some plants like hibiscus are able to fold their leaves, and other plants are able to fold their leaves when an insect lands on it or when something touches it. Right. So growth movement in plants is usually very important because this growth is a response to the stimulus of light called phototropism and geotropism in plants. So phototropism is the growth response to sunlight, and geotropism is the growth response to gravity. Growth in plants is usually controlled by a hormone called auxin. And auxin is made in the tips of the roots and shoots, which are the growth parts of the plant. Now, light and gravity are examples of external factors in the environment that can have an effect on the growth of plants. Now, the shoots of plants respond to the light by growing toward wherever that light is. That's where you would find plants growing oddly angled, because that is where most of the light was coming from. When the shoot is lit from one side, the auxin breaks down on the light side and accumulates on the shaded side. As a result, you would see more growth on the shaded side of the shoot. You would see more growth on the shaded side, which would lead to the shoot bending towards the light. Now, if the shoot is not in an upright position, the gravity usually causes the auxin to collect on the lower side, and this has the same effect as before, to make the shoot grow faster on that side, so it bends away from gravity. However, in roots, concentration of auxins can slow down growth, and in the shoot, the auxin can accumulate on the lower side because of the gravity, but in the root, the upper side will grow faster because it is less affected by auxin. No matter how the root is placed in the soil, it will always grow downwards towards gravity. Right. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes.
Okay. Have you understood everything that I would have said so far?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, give me a minute. Let me see if I can find a short video to further explain movement in plants and animals. Alright, so let me share my screen. You can let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, Miss, I am able to see it.
Animals keep moving around.
Alright, so I'm gonna play the first few seconds and you can let me know if you can hear it.
Responding to the environmental stimuli. But what about plants? Do they move? The answer
Alright, are you able to hear the video?
No, Miss.
Okay, is the volume too low or you can't hear anything at all?
No, I can't hear anything at all.